Welcome back to Lifern. Today I'll be going over the Tiffany & Co. unboxing of the resized and remounted into the 18 karat rose gold Tiffany True setting. Standard floor stock at Tiffany Co. at the store is usually platinum in the platinum setting and metal, as well as a size 6. So if your fiance does not want platinum, nor is she a size 6, then you're going to want to go ahead and exchange it for the correct size as well as the correct metal that matches her skin tone best. So if this happens to you where you want to do surprise proposal, you either can order online so you can get the proper size as well as the proper metal and the setting. But if not, it's okay. You simply just go back to the store, tell them what size you are as well as the type of metal that you want. If it's within the same type of setting, for example, this is a Tiffany True, and it's just going to be a different type of metal. They're just going to exchange the ring, remount it, and give you the perfect size that fits you. If not, if you want a different type of setting, then it may have a different type of balance because the diamond is going to be completely different for like the Tiffany Classic. This is a Tiffany True. So just keep that in mind. You have 30 days to exchange it. And then after you tell them what you'd like, you get to wait about 10 to 21 business days. I suggest having them ship it back to the store so you don't get the ring lost at all if you try to go ahead and deliver it to your house. Let me know if you have any questions. Goodbye.